Welcome back to Rain Clothes Week here on Organizing TV. Today I'm going to show you 3 clever ways that you can use to fold your rain pants. Yes, there are 3 ways to fold them. Alright, let's start with this very cool looking one first of all. So this is going to be how you fold the rain pants into its own leg. This is going to be more of a roll, but it's my favorite. It's the one that holds together the best. So let's just start off here by folding the rain pants over in half from side to side so that we have the back side facing up. And we're going to make sure that everything is lined up nicely here. And then from here, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to take the top leg of the pant and I'm going to fold it out 90 degrees around the knee, maybe a little bit higher than the knee. It depends on the pants really. Anyway, what we're going to do next is that I'm going to start rolling the pants down from the top here. What you can also do here is just fold in this crotch section and you get a more streamlined look. So making sure that this leg doesn't like slide away once you roll over it here. You're going to roll all the way down to the bottom. You don't need to roll this tightly at all. Once you make it to the bottom, we're going to lift up this funny looking thing. And we're going to hold on to the roll with one hand. Other one, we're going to stick inside our pant leg here. And we want to kind of stretch our hand over the roll so to make sure it doesn't unravel, so that we can free up the other hand to wrap the rest of the leg inside out over the roll here then, like so. Once you have it nicely inside there, and if you have like a tightening elastic at the bottom of your pant leg, you can actually stretch, tighten that up, and that's going to make this hold together even better. As you can see, this one is reasonably compact, considering it's actually rain pants. Also, it's not going to fall apart anytime soon. Love this one. It doesn't crease up the rain pants much either. But I know what some of you are going to say, and you're going to say, Tor, I don't like these rolls. I prefer to just fold them flat. And for you, my friends, I have some ideas as well here. So let's start out by just a simple flat way to fold your pants. That's not going to hold them together super well, but we can do one of those last as well. So again, I'm just going to fold the pants over in half here. So from here, what we want to do is split the pants in half and fold them up from the bottom all the way up to the top like this. So we have the pants endings on top. And from here, we can either split it into 3 parts from top to bottom again, or we can split them in half and just fold them over in half one more time. It's really up to you depending on the length of your pants. These ones are quite long, so I would probably do 3 parts, but it's really up to you. But as you probably can see, this one doesn't hold together very well, and you certainly can't file fold it or anything. So what I figured we'd do as well is do one more cool fold here. All right, so for the third fold here, it's going to be kind of a way to hold the pants together while they're also being flat. So I'm going to start by flipping the top of the pants inside out there. And I'm going to need to flip quite a bit of them, probably at least 10 inches. If you're very small, perhaps you can get away with like 8, something like that. Make sure you get the back side as well. All right, so at this point, we're going to fold the pants over in half like we did earlier. And like that, just make sure you get it all over on this table here. And so the idea here is that we're going to fold everything into this part of the pants. So how we do that is essentially that we find out how long this area is going to be. So around 10 inches, obviously. So we just roll it up all the way to the top like that. And from here, lift up, and then we can flip this section over for pants like this. And voila, there you have like a flat fold that's not going to fall apart. And you could also technically file fold the pants like this. So obviously pants can be tricky, especially rain pants, since they're so slippery. But there you at least have 3 alternatives. I would go with number 1 if I were you. The other ones are cool too though. So yeah, that's day 6 of this folding rainwear week. We have 1 day left, and that's going to be the coolest one, saving that for last. Going out with like the best one for the grand finale, so you can tap here if you want to see that. And yep, I'll see you over there.